In the lab, they are helping. Let's see. See, you can tell lies to me, you can tell your lies to your parent, but you cannot tell to your own soul. When at the end of the day, when you sit and introspect the day, some positivity feeling should come. Yes, today I learned something new. I have not wasted my day. So make sure that that is very important. Actually, I am getting both ID as master. What is by mistake? Please explain. First of all, I did not understand your question itself. I am getting both ID as master. Both master only will come, na? Because master is nowhere related to local or this one, ra. Master remote level. Remote level. Master is nothing but trunk. Both IDs will have a trunk, na? I don't know what the hell you are asking me now. Yes. Both developer TL, both can get master. Both can work branch one. Both can work on what? Branch two. I don't know why are you surprising. First try to understand concepts properly. There's no wrong of both getting what? Master. Master and both are same. Some place main, some place master. Main branch, master branch, both are same. Narasimha Suri. Narasimha Suri. All people can work on trunk, all people can work on branch one, all people can work on what? Branch two. I don't know, you revise your concept first before worrying about. Where is this guys? 905. GitHub. GitHub. Save this document. Tag creation we have seen. Stashing. After committing some changes to branch 1, if you have any incomplete what? Logics, we save them in what? Temporary place to complete them later. This is called stashing. Modify code. Having incomplete works as TL or what? Dev 1. Create a stash. Right click. Team stashes. Create a stash. Okay. ST1. Stash changes depends from the branch code. Complete your merge activity of branch with master. Develop other priority logic in the branch and commit it. To get the stash changes, you have to go for some other thing, right? Okay. Now let's see. We'll go to developer window only. Okay. Here we are dealing with what? Net banking branch. Okay. Net banking branch. Okay, fine. In this net banking branch, guys, in this net banking branch, I'm developing one method, public float. What is there? Get to balance. I'm developing one method. What is there, guys? Get balance. Okay, right logic. Return 0.0. Still not completed. Logic is still not completed. We are in the middle of the logic. Let us just. We are in the middle of the logic. We are in the middle of the logic. So I don't want to commit because it is not completed. So right logic, it is what? Right now incomplete logic or not. So other priority work came, but this is not ready to commit. Okay. This is not ready to commit. So I want to disappear this incomplete logic so that I can complete other priority work and I can do that work or not there. Super. Now from the last commit, what are the new changes? This is the new change. Super. So what I do, guys, I'm not going to commit. So here I'm going to do stashing or not there. Yeah, what is there, guys? Create stash. Right click on the project, create team stashes. Dev one, guys. Okay, right click, team. What is there? Create what? Stash. Where, guys? Stashes. Okay, stashes. It's creating, it's asking to create a stash or not there. ST1. Click on stash. See, this got disappeared or not there. Disappear means not forever. It is there in the temporary memory that is there with the Git. Right? Okay, now I can complete other priority works now, guys. So my other priority work is bug fixing. Okay, using gateway. So here writing this message is another priority work. I am just assuming. Writing this comment is what? Other priority work. Actually, I'm just showing something, guys. Okay, guys. Now, okay, once these are done, I will try to what? Commit the changes are not there. I will try to commit the change. Dev one change. Dev one change one. Okay, that's good. Commit and push. Say close. Okay. Now developer has done his modification or not there. Say something, guys. Come on. Okay. Now, not only that, he decided to merge this code with what? Master branch. Because other priority work is completed. So I decided to what? Merge the code with what? Master branch. Go to repositories, guys. Check out what, my dear? Check out master branch. Okay. Yeah. Right click on it. Come on, guys. Merge. Okay. Which what, guys? Net banking. With what, guys? Net banking. Commit the changes. Some pom.xml modified. Okay. Dev one change again. Commit and push. Commit and push. Hey, what's happening? I think maybe in the same places. In the same places, other code might be there. Okay. Let me go for what? Team pull. What is there? Team pull. Team pull. That's okay. Fine. No problem. Yeah, go to what there, guys? NB, net banking service. Net banking service. That's fine. Click on what? This. Okay. Net banking service, this one. Okay. Yeah, fine. So now, once again, go for this one. Right click. Where is this? March. I'm linking with what? Net banking, guys. Okay. Some changes are there. That's fine. Okay, this it is showing some clash is coming. Same level, some clash is coming. Okay, whatever it is, fine. That really does not matter. This one, written this one. Okay. So having this committed, guys, save and commit message. What is this? Dev one merging. Some message, guys, dev one merging. It's been merged or not there. Go to this place in net banking. We are getting this message or not there. Are this message, this message, this message. All these are part of what, guys? Tell me. All these are what? Very much part of this one. Okay, but we cannot leave the incomplete feature just like that. Okay, now we have to go back to that one net banking branch. You have to get that incomplete code and you have to complete that code or not there. So what should I do? Go to check out what? Net banking branch. Now we are in what, guys? Net banking. But in net banking class, only original code only there. But we have kept some code in stashing. We have to bring it back or not there. Okay, right click on the project, guys. Come on. Team, stashes. What stash you want to get? STU1. What stash you want to get? STU1. Okay, it is showing that stash related information, guys. It is showing that what? Stash related what? Information. Here is my, what is there? Apply stash changes. What is there, guys? Apply what? Stash changes. Why it's showing error? Resulted in what? Conflict. Okay, fine. Conflict is coming. How come? Yeah, it has come or not there. It has come or not there, guys. Come on. Yeah, public get balance right logic. Now, can I complete the logic over there? Some random number, boss. Random RAD is equal to new random dot next int of some big number. Here is what? Okay, not that is not random, guys. Okay, I will directly put into balance. Into balance. Oh, okay, we'll take flow to balance. Yes, guys. We got the flow to balance. So now we completed this one also now, my dear. Come on. We happily completed this one. Okay. What is there? Dev 1. Dev 1 again change. We can write proper meaningful messages, don't worry. Dev N F1 change. That's good. Okay, now it has now reflected to that one or not then. I hope you understood the purpose of stashing, guys. Okay, one more time I am trying to show. Listen carefully. Stashing practicals one more time. Okay, this time we will do on some other branch. Okay, what is the branch I want to get? UPI payment. What payment, guys? UPI payment. Okay, any branch you get, before you do your coding, it's better to pull the code or not there. Before commit, better to perform what? Pull. Everything is up to date. It is clearly saying that nothing is modified, no problem. Fine, okay. Service class, not this. UPI, okay, UPI payment. UPI payment, okay. UPI payment by account number, right? So public string, do UPI payment by account number possible, by UPI and mobile number possible. By UPI ID is also there now, boss. By UPI ID. Return amount transfer to what? UPI ID. Okay. When this is going on. Someone said that, that is not priority, Rababu. Don't complete that. Okay, move to what? Some other place. In arithmetic service class, you just have only some method is there, try to complete what? Other, we have to release it. They asked me like that, right? So then I have to keep these changes in station mode or not there. So what should I do for that? Okay, don't commit, guys. Team, stashes, stash changes, ST2, click on stash changes. It got disappeared or not there? The new logic, new changes disappeared or not there? Yeah, definitely disappeared. Fine. Okay, now this fellow is planning to take other priority work. What is there? Arithmetic operation, guys. He is planning to write what? Multiplication method. What method? Multiplication method. X into Y. Okay, fine. So he felt that other priority work is completed. is committing, guys. Tell me. Dev 1. Okay. UPI payment change. Click on commit and push. Click on commit and push. It has gone to central repository. But I want to see this change in one, guys. Master branch. So I have to merge with master branch or not there. Okay. I have to merge with master branch or not there. Check it out, guys. Okay. Check it out. Okay. On safe side, now we are in the master branch, guys. Team pull the changes. It is saying up to date. But now I have to merge my UPI payment branch with what? Master branch nicely or not, guys? Okay, so what should I do? Go to this place. You are in the master branch. Go for what? Merge. What is the merge? UPI payment merge, guys. Okay, it is saying that I am merging. Okay. Okay, some changes in POM dot properties, leave it, guys. It is happily saying I have merged or not there. So once merging is over, confirm. Once merging is over, you confirm in master branch that change is reflecting or not there. In master branch, that change is reflecting or not. Arithmetic operation, this is what? Mul. This is what? Mul. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay, guys, this is what? Public int mul into x comma into y. Written what? X into y. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Yeah, this is coming, right? Okay, once this is done, guys, once this is done, yeah, once this is done, guys, com dot nt dot. So if we want to come back and continue that work or not, guys, yeah, first of all, I have to check out that UPI payment branch. Check out. Okay, guys, fine, that's okay. You come to this place, guys, tell me, in UPI payment, yeah, only two methods are there. Third method is not there because it is in what? Stashed mode. So now you have to bring it back or not there, guys. How to bring the stash changes back, my dear? How to bring stash changes back? Team, stashes. How many stashes are there? Two. But right now we are interested in what stash? Second stash. So second stash has come or not there, guys. Look at UPI payment. Array, where is second stash? Why it is not coming? Huh? Though I am saying it is not coming, how come? Not coming, how come? Team stashes ST2. Yeah, here we have to confirm, double confirm, guys. ST2, that's fine. Here one button is there, check it out. Apply stash changes. Apply stash change. It's okay. It's giving warning. Don't worry about the warning part, guys. Okay. Come to this. Why it's trying like this? UPI payment.java. Where is the code, ra? Ayyo. Stash changes applied or not applied? Team stash ST2. ST2. That's fine. Click on what? Stash change. Why it is not coming? When we done stashing, empty string is there in that stash? No, it's not empty string, right? I think something gone wrong in stash. 1 minute. How come empty string? Team st2, yeah, UPI payment dot Java. Yeah, is there. UPI ID is there or not there? Is there. Then why it is not giving? Apply stashed changes. st2, okay. Fine, okay. I'm really surprised why it is not coming that. It is showing, but it is not applying. How come? It is showing, but it is not applying. Okay. Once again, team stash st2 delete stashed commit. No. Apply stashed changes. Encountered problem. Commit this. No, no problem. Applying stash commit. Applying this one, this. Due to applying stash changes, resulted in conflict. Though conflict is there, I don't mind. I want to get it. But maybe because of pom dot properties. Okay, we'll complete this first. Okay, we'll complete this first 1 minute. Yeah, something guys, commit and push. Okay, committed guys. Now let me apply the stash changes. Team stashes st2. That's good. Yeah, now it has come or not there. Yeah, because of some spaces, because of those spaces, what is that? Conflict problem it is showing. But overall, it has come or not there, guys. So UPI ID here, what is there? UPI ID. Okay, is there UPI ID? Here also, what is there? UPI ID. Using what? Bharat Pay, whatever it is. Using what? Bharat Pay. That is fine. Click on commit and push. Say close. Click on commit and push, say close. Are you getting my point there, guys? So this is the whole mechanism or not there, guys? Yeah. So I think you understood the real power of the stashing, guys. Okay, now listen, guys. This dot prom properties file is really disturbing now, boss. If I don't make that file going to Git repository, it will not be a problem now, boss. It won't participate in any Git operations. For that one, we have to use a feature called git ignore. What is there? You have to use a feature called what? Whatever files you add, whatever extensions you add in that git ignore file, they will not participate in any kind of what? Persistence, say git operations. So when you look at the Eclipse project, guys, internally so many files will come. Dot class path, dot project. Come on. Dot project, dot class path, so many dot meta, dot sonar cube, so many files will be there. Check it out, internals of the project. Do you want to see all of them going to central repository? No. Only source code, bytecode, these things I want to send. I don't want to send everything to what? Central repository. Fine. So in that situation, this git ignore is a nice concept or not there, guys? Check it out. Yeah, let's go to github.com, guys. Let's go to what? Github.com. Hey, what is this language, ra? Yeah, github.com. Yeah, where is this? 905. What is there, guys? 905. Look at the both projects. Lot of kachra is also there, na? Dot settings, dot mvn, dot class path, dot project. Yes or no, na, guys? In target folder, some more things, right? I just want to keep source code, not everything. I just want to keep what? Source code, not everything. In that situation, whatever you want to ignore to participate in Git operation, they should be added to Git or not there, guys. They should be added to Git or not there. Git ignore. What is dot git ignore file and how to use it? How can we make certain files and folders of the project not moving to local or remote repository as part of what? Git operation. By adding .git ignore file to the project and specifying the list of folders and files that you want to stop going to local or central repository, right, guys? Yeah, tell me. Add .ignore file to the root folder of the project as shown below. So this is the .ignore file now, boss. These folders I don't want to see. These folders I don't want to see going toward Git. Sir, typing this one is very difficult now, boss. No. You can collect the sample files from what? ChatGPT or Google. ChatGPT or what? Google. Help.md I don't want to send. Target I don't want to send. Testing code I don't want to send. Okay. Wrapper related jar I don't want to send. This is comment, guys. API generated class path, factory path, project settings, dot spring beans, dot sts4 cache. All these files I don't want to send. I just want to know where is this pom dot property so that I can stop that file also, because that only time to time modifying and giving headaches are not there. But this thought process you should there before creating project. I mean, while creating project, before putting first time commit itself, we have to have that. Once committed already case, it means you cannot do anything, right? Yeah, let me write the location of this pom dot properties, guys. What is there? Properties. Go to the project folder, git pros. Let me search for pom dot properties. Eh, this is my pom dot properties are not there. Here is my notepad are not there, guys. Yeah, this is the file. Where that file location is what? Open folder location. Open file location. This is also there in the root folder only, na boss. This is disturbing every time my, this is really disturbing or not there. Because of that only so many conflicts are coming or not there. Our flow is not going smoothly, right? Yeah, it's better to add this file also, pom dot properties also. Not all property file, only pom dot properties. If you go for other property file in Spring Boot process, so many property files will be there. Are you against of every property file? No. Yeah. Now what I do is, I'll create a new project and I'll try to add dot git ignore file, mentioning all the file that you don't want to share in the Git operations. Array, what happened to this internet? Okay, that's good. Now, let me create a new project, guys. New Maven project. Say next. Tell me. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. Say next. Git to pros 0 to, what is there? Git to pros 0 to, yeah. Git to pros 0 to, tell me here. Fine, that's fine. 02 is already there or not there? Yeah, what's the default package? Com dot nt dot main. What's the version you want to use? 20. Save, finish. This is build success or not there, guys? Fine. Yesterday someone asked me, sir, will you teach command based Git? Not required. As a developer, not required. When should I learn? There is another course called DevOps admin course. What course? Admin. As admin, you have to learn. But as a developer, not. I already said one thing clearly. We are learning in support to Java full stack development. So I'm going to teach all these tools from what perspective? Developer perspective, not the admin perspective. No, sir, I want to learn in admin perspective. We have DevOps with AWS courses there, na? There you don't learn all these tools in what? Developer perspective. You will be developing as what? You will be learning them admin perspective. That time, yes, little Linux based commands you should know in order to do all this stuff. But as a developer, GUI is enough. We have to worry as a developer because all you people are part of Java full stack program, right? So you have to learn all these things from developer perspective or admin perspective. Definitely developer perspective. Okay, fine. Now let me get the sample.git file. Don't develop such files, guys. ChatGPT sample dot git ignore sample dot git ignore file with respect to what, guys? With respect to Eclipse Maven project. Eclipse Maven Java project. See, it's giving already something, guys. It's already giving something, Namos. It's giving exclusive one or not there, guys. Target min output directory always ignore. Settings, class path, project, Eclipse workspace method. Okay, .vs code. These files you ignore. Environment application .local. Prevent committing sense to this. Would you like to modify also supporting Spring Boot projects? Ignoring like .env logs, temporary upload folders. So that's why if you know what to search, everything is what clarity. Ignore local environment variable, guys. Okay. So now I'm going to copy this. Yeah, copied. What is the folder I'm trying to add, guys? Okay. What is the folder I'm trying to add in the project? Git to pros 2. This is another idea or not there? Yeah, here. What is the file I am looking for? New file dot git ignore paste. Your hash symbol indicates what, guys? Hash symbol indicates what? Target folder Okay, I will take pom dot properties. What dot properties, guys? Pom dot. Array, so some unnecessarily things also there, but don't worry. Anything extra, no problem. Anything less, not. .env file, local dot property file, everything I would like to ignore. Array, dot idea is for IntelliJ idea. Dot settings, all these are, this one are not there. I want to give source code, not the output. That's why target folder also I am not placing. But previous one, what observe, target folder is also coming here or not there. Look at this. Here target folder is now there. But when you decided to maintain only dot class file, only source code, there is no need of keeping target folder or not there. Yes, now. So far it is not there in repository, guys. Now I want to keep in repository. What is there, guys? Share project. Team, what is there? Share project. You have to choose the repository. Only one repository is there, 905 local. Click on finish. It's been placed or not there. Go to git staging, guys. Go to git staging. Some modifications, right? Git staging, some modification. Initial commit. Click on commit and push. Which one we want? There are multiple na boss. I want to keep in master branch only. I want to keep in what? Master branch. It's been placed or not there? Master rejected non-fast failure. How come? It's an initial commit. How come it is giving that? Non-fast fail. Anything modified or nothing? Push ahead. Where is this? Master preview. Master rejected. How come? Let me check. It's a fresh project now, guys. Team pull. No, I think I have taken wrong one, guys. Okay. Say push. It's giving problem towards what? Other changes that are there in that. Fine, let it be, guys. Tell me. So now this project, guys, committed team commit. Okay, some message. Click on push head. What is there, guys? Master. Say what? Push. Okay, it's saying what? Up to date. So that's not a big issue now. Go to this place. What is there? Go to this place. 905. Share what? Refresh. Here, what is there? Git pros 2. Git pros 2. See, guys, dot settings, everything gone now, my dear. Git ignore came, that's different. Okay, dot settings, everything is gone or not there, guys. Look at the previous project and this project. Here we have a lot of kachra is there, almost. Here only necessary folders are there or not there. Only source code related folders are there. Okay, or even target folder is also not there. Did you notice this? That means it is simply ignoring them or not there. It is simply definitely ignoring them. What do you say, guys? So earlier, why conflict came? Array, earlier I did everything from developer one, but did we updated the what is that team leader ID with latest changes? No. Without that, I am trying to add existing new project. That's why it is not digesting it or not there, guys. That's why conflict came. Once I pull and that problems are solved. Don't worry. But most importantly, I'm going to do so many operation on this project, guys. I will write some code. Here I will write main method. Is it right? Is it our own only na? Yeah. Close all. Okay. Hello world is there. Hello world 1, 2, 3. Some message I have written there, right? Save it. Okay. Change one. Change one. Commit. Okay. Where you want to commit? Master. Click on push. Close. Click on push close. Okay, fine. Now I want to say TL getting this. I want to say developer one getting this. This is developer one, right? What should I do? First fetch from. Right now we are in what? Master? No, let me go for master. We are in master. Then tell me what? Fetch from origin or not there? Fetch from origin. Okay, close. In fetch from origin, in fetch for origin, fetch from origin that has come. Now we have to import the project or not there, guys. We have to import the project. Right click, tell me, import projects from Git. Projects from what? Git. Tell me, guys. Clone URI or GitHub? Existing local repository. Selected that. In that one, array git pros 2 has not come, ra babu. That means we have to check out somewhere. In remote tracking, I think we have to say checkout kind of thing, na boss. Yeah, let's go for checkout. Create as a new branch. What's happening? We should get that project, guys. We should get that project. First, what is there? Fetch from origin. Everything is what? Up to date. Everything is what? Up to date. Okay, that's fine. Project Explorer. Right click. Where is this? Import. Yeah, projects from Git. Local repository. Why it is not coming to local repository? Git pros 2 should reflect a not a. Git pros 2 should reflect, but it is not reflecting. That means something is gone wrong. 1 minute. Okay, we are in what? Master branch. Right click, team pull. Team pull. Okay. Team pull is taken. Master. What is this? Fetch from origin. What is there? Fetch from origin. Fetch from origin. Checkout. Project Explorer. I should be in a position to import it, nothing else. What is there? Import. Projects from what? Git. Okay, I'll try to collect from Git. No clone URL. Existing local repository. tree 905 dev 1. Yeah, now it has come now, boss. Yeah, that we have to in remote tracking also you have to do that. Git pros 2 na guys. Yeah. What is there? Git pros 2. We have a git pros 2 is there or not there, guys? No projects found. Hey, what's happening? Okay. See, my ultimate understanding is very simple, guys. Whenever I am trying to do, so that's not a big issue. Whenever I am trying to do anything on it, is it giving any problem towards pom dot properties, guys? Is it saying problem is there with pom dot properties anywhere, guys? That headache is there, my dear. Suppose I have written one more line here. Okay. System dot out dot println. Here I want to write welcome. I would like to write what? Welcome. Click on this. Change to commit and push. Master. Click on preview. Click on this one. It's been pushed. But are you getting any messages related to pom dot properties? But it's not like that it is not there. It's there. In the local play, in the IDE level, it is there, right? System level, it is there. But it is not simply not going to whom, guys? Simply it is not going to whom, guys? See, you search for as a hidden file, it is there, it seems. Pom dot properties. There are not there again. As a hidden file, it is still there or not there. But is it coming to Git repository, my dear? Is it giving any clashes or conflicts, guys? No. That's fine. But my question is, why I'm not able to get this project from what? Dev 1 mission should be in a position to get it now, boss. Yeah, Dev 1 mission should be in a position to get it or not there. Just a minute. Git repositories, references, remotes, origin, 905 date, fetch. Okay, fine. Fetch. What is this? Fetch from origin. Fetch from origin. So project has come, but now the thing is, I have to check whether it is available or not. Yeah, maybe that could be the reason because actually I removed. I in .git ignore what I kept. Dot class path, all these things I removed now, boss. Maybe Eclipse is feeling, those files are not there, it is not a correct Eclipse project. It might be thinking those files are removed, that's why it is not a correct Eclipse project. That could be the reason why it is not coming. Yeah, 1 minute, one last time I will try. Otherwise, we'll go for another practical with by keeping what? Dot project, dot class path we will add. Remaining other folders only, simple folders only we try to delete. One final thing, one attempt, existing local repository, good. Now we are getting pros2, say next. Now I can say confidently, project is there, but it is not there as what? Eclipse project. Because we removed so many so many what? Unnecessary things. What are the unnecessary things? Dot class path, dot project, all this thing. We have problem with a few things. Let's keep them. Let's remove them. Remaining things, regular things, the base files are what? We can maintain or not there. Okay, now let's see the practical one more time in another angle with the limited files to ignore, not all files to ignore. Yeah, tell me, new. Alright, today what's your luck, guys? Everything you are getting 2 times. Every practical, it's happening 2 times. Did you notice that? Yeah. Maven archetype. Quick start. Say next. What's the name of the project? Git to pros 03. What 3? Git to pros 03, com.nt.main. Here is what? 21. Click on what? Finish. Say what? Yes. So here we are getting build success. Yeah, before I keep this project, guys, we'll keep the git ignore file collecting from previous one. Where is git ignore, guys? Git pros to git ignore should be there, na? Git ignore is there, but maybe it is not appearing here. Properties, open this, git pros to git ignore file is there or not there? Git ignore file is there. Where is this? Copy. Apply and close. This is my git pros 3 na, guys. We place this one na, my dear. Yeah, it's actually placed, but it is not appearing. Maybe it is there as what? Hidden file. It is there as what? Hidden file. Let me paste again. Override. Okay. Override. But where it has gone? Okay, might be there. Maybe as a hidden file it is. Git pros 3 dot git ignore is there or not there? Open with what? Notepad. Array, let's put those folders which are required to open the project again. Dot class path, dot project settings. Yes, I want to keep it. Remaining things I want to remove it, right? Metadata not required. Me when target I want to remove. These things I want to remove. Okay, here as usual, pom dot properties, Java specific files. Dot class I want to, target is not there, dot class, no problem. So remaining things I want to continue, guys. Remaining things I want to continue. Only few things I don't want to continue. Got it, my dear? Only few things I don't want to continue. Okay, that's good. So we got it. Now you observe. Now you observe. Right click, tell me. Team. What is there? Share project. This repository. Next one, guys. Master. We selected this one or not? Finish, guys. Git staging. What is there? Git staging. Initial commit. Commit and push. Where you want to put? Master. Push. Close. Go to github.com website. Go to github.com website, guys. Yeah, this is my what? Git to pros 03 are not there. This is my what? Git to pros 03 are not there, guys. Now this is reflecting as what? Initial commit are not there. That's fine. But in this one, the basic folders are there: class path, project, pom.xml settings, MVN. These are basic folders are there now, guys. Okay, that's good. Fine. So now what I do is I want to check whether I'm able to get that project over here or not there, right? So first go to Git repositories. Now dev1 machine. What is there? Fetch from what? Origin. Okay, initial commit has come now, guys. Now it is there in what? Local repository. Check it out. Where is this? Import project from Git, local repository, selected this. Oh, in this one, not reflecting. Not reflecting means what? One more activity is left or not there, guys? What is there? Remote tracking, check out. Okay, remote tracking, check out. Create and commit, that's fine. Create and what? Commit. Once again, you say what? Fetch from what? Horizon. Okay, it's what? Up to date. Project Explorer. Right. Where is this? Import. Projects from what? Git. Existing what? Local repository. What repository? Select this. Okay, this time Git pros 3. That's fine. Okay, finish. Now it's there as a proper Git MVN project. My analysis is right now. Earlier we commented what? Settings, project, class path. But these are the backbone files for any Eclipse project. For Eclipse to identify that is Eclipse project, there the important files are not there. Out of excitement, we commented everything in the dot ignore. But basically, it is not looking like what? Eclipse project. So now we have done on the other things are not there, guys. Okay, now you put anything here. Git pros 3. You write hello 1, 2, 3. This modification is done. Change. Dev 1. What is there? Dev 1 change. Branch what? Master. Click on what, guys? Preview. Push. Push. Changes. Okay, that 1, 2, 3 has come. Okay, come to 905. Already this is there. Where is there? Team pull. Team pull. What pull you want to see? Master. Because there are multiple branches now. That's why I want specifically about it. After that, let's check. Let's check. This app.java has come or not there. Is there any headache of that palm.dot properties now? Otherwise, every time it has irritated you like anything or not? It has irritated you like anything. Whenever I do anything, it says palm.dot update modified, conflict is there, that is there, this is there. Actually, I should teach this one at the beginning itself so that we have avoided this kind of headache, right? Yeah, dot git ignore is very useful concept. Whatever the files you don't want to see in future, as part of Git operation, you can ignore them in what? Dot git ignore tool are not there. Okay. Important. Important Git practices. Important Git practices. Configuration. Sets global username. Use real username better than what? Team visibility. Okay. Yeah. Example is what, guys? Git config. This is the command UI based, guys. Sets global name match with what? Git one. Repository. Initialize new repository. No, these are wrong, guys. These are not wrong. Best practices. Yesterday we searched something, na boss. Best practices. Before you commit, pull the code. Some suggestions have come, na. What is the query I have asked? What's the prompting I have done there, guys? Best practices of Git to GitHub. From what IDE? Eclipse. Yeah. Install Eclipse plugin. If under what? Yeah, some if you want, you can go for what? User information. Otherwise, Windows username it will take, guys. If you want, you can configure specific user. Yeah. Most of the Eclipse distribution get username, user mail, same as what? Git account. Set up SH key personal access token. Array, personal access token. SS key passwordless entry, guys. Project setup. Always create git ignore before first commit. Hey, just now we thought about that or not there. Okay, initialize git pros root. Okay, share project. Link your remote repository properly. You have to link remote. Commit changes. Commit frequently with meaningful what? Messages. Okay. Added login validation in what? This one. Okay, next one. Stage only required file. Commit window this one. Don't commit ID or workspace file. Check before every commit. Workspace file don't commit. Branch management. Use future branches. Merge only after testing locally. Delete local branches after what? Merge. Don't maintain. In IDE, don't maintain local branches. Syncing with remote. Always pull before push. Regularly sync with branch. Avoid force push until absolutely necessary. Handling conflicts. Use Eclipse merge editor. Always backup before resolving the large conflicts. Next one. Stashing and cleanup. Use stash temporary work. Use clean remove what? Untracked files. Review and history. Use team history. Compare revisions visually. We discussed all these things, right? Collaboration. Use pull request. Come on GitHub. Review the code before what? Merging. Security. Don't commit credentials or env files. Periodically prune old what? Branches. Use GitHub action for what? CI/CD. CI/CD is a Jenkins concept. We will discuss that later. Bonus tips for what? Eclipse users. Bonus tips for Eclipse user. Enable decoration in Eclipse. Show branch name modification markers. Use history view better commit. Shortcut alt entry quick properties. Keep occupancy synced. Refresh project after pulling or merging from what? This is really nice now, guys. Some good recommendations have come now here. Yes. Okay, now let me give those recommendations as a list. FAQs are placed. Here comparison table. Okay, live without VCS software with VCS software. I think yesterday only we placed that message now, guys. Okay. Yeah, here what is the one? I think I have direct click and place because heading also nicely there. Your heading is also nicely there, guys. Okay, best practices. You have interview. Please. Yeah, go here. Please go. Yeah. Commit the changes. Control E. Okay, let me make it 20,000. Yeah. Next, up to which we have pasted, guys, syncing the changes. Review collaboration. Security and what? Maintenance. Yeah, we got different options there or not there. That's why I'm saying, after arrival of ChatGPT kind of AI tools, there is no need of separate person for content writing. See how fastly it has given me content. Beautiful format. So that's why if someone says I have written book, don't think much. Nowadays, book writing is easy task. I'll show one thing. I'll show the power of ChatGPT in front of you. Write 20 pages book on Java. Oops. Having author name Natras. Check it out. Sure. Before generate 20 books, authored by this, could you please confirm following details? Level depth, preferred output format, PDF, target audience, student, developer, or interview preparation. Okay. First, level depth. Next, preferred output, PDF. Next, target audience, students. So that's why nowadays book writing is very easy task. Now it is what pre-version. In upgrade version, many other features are there. Beautiful features are there. You have, maybe it will ask now, ask for money. PDF generation, ask some money for actually. Yeah. Download Java Oops by Natras. Author Natras. This book is written for students. Yeah. Chapter, constructor, discussor, final keyword, OOP language. Something is written there or not there, guys? Yeah. Fine. As I said, na, everything is possible, guys. That's why don't think much on what content writing. Content writing has been simplified. So I'm just involving ChatGPT so that you will know how to use AI tools in the development. AI tools will not replace programmer, but if you don't know how to use AI tools, you will be lagging behind. I said AI tools generate whole code, sir. They don't generate. Ask AI tool to generate e-commerce application with UPI payment integration. Can it generate? No. It will give process of doing it. You have to write on your own only, but it will help you to simplify the process. Because for integration, some license keys are required. Do you think it will get license keys automatically? What is code repository? What is VCS? Types of VCS softwares, right? Examples are for what? VCS software. Example for what? DVCS. Limitations of what? CCVS and DVCS, right? Git fall under which VCS software? What is the main advantage of what? Git over SVN or what? CVS category VCS. Explain the following what terminologies? Checkout, export, share, fetch, pull, commit, push, merge. I think you can concentrate all these things now, guys. Yeah, Git fall under which VCS cat software, guys? It is a distributed version control system or not there? What's the main advantage of Git over SVN or CVS? Tell me. That will have only central repository, but here we have a lot of cloned backup repositories. Cloned repository acting as backup repository. Explain code repository directory structure. Trunk, branches, tags. What is sanity test? The test that we do on whole project before releasing the project is called as what? Sanity test. What is conflict in code repository and how to resolve it? Okay, if 2-3 people modify same line of code simultaneously or parallelly, there is a possibility of getting what, guys? Code conflict or not there? Yeah. Are you getting my point there? Trunk, master branch, main branch, branches, this. Trunk means main copy. Branches is what? Other things. What is sanity test, guys? What is sanity test? I want reply from you people. Come on. Yeah. What is a sanity test? What is the conflict in what? Code repositories and how to resolve them? Or if 2-3 people try to modify same line of code parallelly without proper commit, then there's conflict may come or not there, guys. What is necessary of creating branches? Or instead of working everything on main branch, once code becomes some certain stable, okay, without disturbing that, if you want to work on other things, it's better to create the branches are not there. What is necessary of creating tags? Array, when something is marked as a milestone, it's better to have a copy of that milestone copy or not there. Otherwise, after some time, what is that one that is demonstrated? What is the code that is being released? If nothing is there, it will be a problem or not there, guys. What is stashing and how can be useful in day-to-day activities? In the middle of the work, if some other priority work has come to complete, so then we can stash the incomplete work by using what? Stashing concept. Stashing is all about saving the incomplete work in temporary period, in temporary place. What is the use of .git ignore file? Okay. You don't want, before doing first commit or first share project operation, you don't want to keep certain files going to Git repository or local or central repository. We can add them in .git ignore file or not there. We can happily add them in what? .git ignore file or not there. How to make certain folders and files of the project not participating in what? Git operation. Again, we have to use what? .git ignore file or not. Okay. List out best practices while working with Git. List out various best practices practices while working with Git. Various best practices while working. List out various best practices while working with Git. Before before pull, before commit you pull it, before push you commit. Yeah, push or commit one and the same now. Okay. Before commit or push, you have to pull the code. All these are various best practices that are given or not there. Fine, guys, let it be. That's not a big issue. Let me share the document with you people. Here is there. Tell me. Google Drive. Where is the story to follow, guys? Dev tools, na boss? This one? Yeah, some 23rd. GitHub. File upload. Class content. Tools FS. Tools SF 905. Git this. Yeah, I'm wantedly replacing it, guys. Fine. Some changes are done. Yeah. Now here I'll take a new folder called Classroom Applications. I'm taking a new folder called Classroom Application. In that Classroom Applications, what's there, guys? In that what? Classroom Applications. This is my class content. Here, what is the folder? Workspace folder. Inside workspace folder, tell me. FS tools. Yeah, tomorrow I'll try to start the session by 9, boss. I have work at 10:30. So please be available exactly by 9 o'clock. I'll take the session, but please be available by 9. Yeah, 905, guys. All classroom applications, let me zip and give to you. Right click 7 zip 905 zip. Up to, what is the file? Today's date? November 13, it seems. I think all Bihar people are waiting for election results. Huh? No one is there. Huh? They already left to Bihar for voting. Okay. Yeah, fine. That's good. So I shared the classroom applications up to this date. It's a zip file. Unzip the file. You will get the project and you can open each project by using import option. File import option is there. Right. Fine. Tomorrow onwards, we'll be having sessions on what? Gradle tool. Another build tool, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.